Alright guys, so Paul Bates here and Daisy, and today we'll go over a few things, but before we do, hit that like and subscribe button. We appreciate it. And leave a comment down below. We surely appreciate the comments. Alright guys, so Paul Bates here, and this week I really want to talk about the different projects that me and Bev got involved with this week. And a couple of the big ones are the water heater. You can see right here. I replaced the water heater. I just finished that project actually yesterday, so that's a big one to knock out. And then this week we're going to start on the anchor locker and get that knocked out. But another thing I did this week, you can see right here, is I put the Navtronics. You can see it right here on the big screen. And I'll do a video later showing you how to do that and the different things you can do with this, because we also integrated depth and everything else into this particular piece of electronics. And so I want to share that with you guys. One of the other things that projects that we started and was kind of frustrating is the sewing. We're getting ready to do all the outside curtains, and we're going to switch our canvas color to black. We also ordered the hard top for the top. That should be here not next week, but I think that week of Christmas. I think the end of this week is when it should be here, I think. So we're looking forward to that. Also, the sewing machine, we had to take it to the shop. I've got the Dingy hanging in the back there, and I got the engine on it, and that's working really, really well. I've got to make some modifications, but it worked out better than I expected, so that was a nice surprise. We also had our fuel polished last week. That was a pretty big item that we got done. Some people are against it and some people are for it. I just want to clean tanks and know my fuel's in good shape, and not have any fuel issues. So that's one of the things that I got done last week. It was they come up right out to the boat, and it took about 4 hours, and they polished the fuel in the boat and cleaned the tank. So that was super cool. And we used American diesel to get that done. Also, we scheduled for a mechanic to come out and look at the boat and give it one look over to make sure everything is mechanically and the engines are running perfect and everything like that before we get ready to leave. Because I'm a huge maintenance person. Getting this boat ready and dialed in and ready for the loop, I don't want to have mechanical issues. I want to be as enjoy the trip as much as I can without having to get down there and just have my daily routine where I go down, check the oil, check the fuel pressure. So I'm going to add fuel pressure gauges to each one of the ray cores so we can check that, and we'll know if we're starting to lose pressure, then we know we change the filter. It's going to be that simple. So those are a few things that I'm working on this week. I appreciate you guys watching the video. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and we will talk to you guys next week. This week, I'll leave it where I got a big project this week. We're taking care of the anchor locker and getting that cleaned up. Anyway, thanks for watching. We appreciate it. And I'll try and get out one of my little videos on some of these electronic things that I've been doing. Thanks. Bye.